Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Smoky Evening. Kriti Sanon and Sara Ali Khan has revealed legal notice. Two of the former girlfriends of late Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput got slammed with a legal notice. Yes, this shocking news has recently come forward where it was revealed that Sara Ali Khan and Kriti Sanon are in legal trouble. But what have they done that these two former girlfriends are in trouble? Well, actually, their legal notice is not related to Sushant Singh Rajput's case. Both these Bollywood actresses endorse brands like Veet and Urban Clap. They have been featured in their commercials for several times. Shockingly, these commercials have landed them into legal trouble now. Well, Sara Ali Khan has been endorsing the products of Veet like waxing strips and hair removing creams. Bollywood actress Kriti Sanon also endorses the salon services At Home by an Urban Clap. The notice was sent by an advocate Rajesh Singhvi on behalf of Ashok Paliwal, chairman of Udaipur Sen Kishore Artist Board. The legal notices are slammed because in their commercial, these two actresses have insulted salon service. The legal notice claims that the advertisement are a direct insult to the businessman who works in the salon industry. As per the notice, both the companies should remove their advertisement and the actresses need to say sorry publicly. In the Veet commercial, Sara Ali Khan is spotted saying that salons are risky, so bring salons at home with Veet. And in Urban Clap commercial too, Kriti Sanon says to bring salon at home to avoid risk. Ashok Paliwal and his team have found both these ads derogating towards the salon industry and towards the employees. So he filed a complaint and sent a legal notice to the companies and to the actresses. Do you think Kriti Sanon and Sara Ali Khan will be in great trouble? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates.